Every product begins with a spark. An idea born to solve real-world challenges. At Mantra, we turn that spark into innovation. More than 300 members of our R&D team dives deep into research, discovery, and biometric science, shaping ideas with purpose. Our 400-plus skilled engineers transform that research into reality, designing hardware, writing firmware, building intelligent systems, and engineering every detail with precision. Prototype after prototype, iteration after iteration, the product takes shape. We test everything: performance, accuracy, durability, security, validating reliability in every condition. With a manufacturing capability of 3 lakh devices every month, we scale innovation into impactful products. 2.1 lakh CPH production capability ensures scalable, efficient product development cycle. We maintain stringent quality standards that meet key industry benchmarks such as STQC, FCC, IBETA, MOSIP, CE, and FBI certifications. An idea becomes a product. A vision becomes reality, engineered for excellence.